Welcome to our book, Love to Learn.
Today we will learn different types of colors name. Red, blue, yellow, green, pink, orange, light blue, brown, light green, white, dark blue, violet, teal, black, gray. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Like and share the video.